How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Catching Cars. My name is Isaiah, and this right here is the key to our test vehicle today, which is a 2021 Ford Puma. So we're going to go ahead and take this out on the Autobahn, do a little acceleration run. This part of the Autobahn is limited to 130 kilometers an hour. So we're just going to go up to right around that speed, see how quickly we can get up to 130, and then I'm going to tell you guys basically what I think of the 2021 Ford Puma. Before we get going, be sure to subscribe to Catching Cars. And since we're on the Autobahn already, of course, put our seatbelt on and get going. Alright, so we could have put the car in sport mode. I kind of forgot to do that there because we had some traffic and some people behind us as well trying to merge onto the Autobahn, but that wouldn't have made a big difference anyway. So my impressions on the Ford Puma, what do I think of it? I think it's a really good looking vehicle on the outside. The design is really nice. It's a small compact SUV, but it looks fairly sporty, and it does remind me of the old Ford Puma that they used to make a while back, at least here in Europe. I'm not sure if they had it in other countries as well. It's like a small little coupe, and this car does remind me of that quite a bit, and it's a nice overall design. But personally, I don't know, I just don't like the 2021 Ford Puma. It drives, it's not, I guess it's not 100% sure what it wants to be. Maybe because of that coupe heritage, that sports car heritage, if you can call it that. And it's an SUV now, but it drives very rough and bumpy, kind of like the Ford Fiesta ST almost, but it's not really a Ford Fiesta ST because it's not sporty. It's really not that fast either. Gear shift is just very, very notchy, and what I really do not like at all is this right here. Even if you're not in sport mode, I can go ahead and go to the normal mode. Since it's a hybrid vehicle or a mild hybrid vehicle, once you let off the gas, it decelerates very strongly, almost like an electric vehicle, and I do not like that at all, and there's no way to turn it off. At least I haven't found that. Some of my friends noticed this as well. It's just really way too strong of deceleration when you let go of the gas. So that is I don't know, it really bothers me with this vehicle. I find myself just, if I want to coast, I'll just put it in neutral and then just coast along. That feels more normal than if you have it in gear, you let go of the gas then, and it just decelerates a lot. It's almost like I'm hitting the brakes slightly. So that's a big problem. Also, material quality is fairly cheap. I mean, you have well, not really soft touch here. The steering wheel is nice. I really like the steering wheel. The seats are kind of firm, hard. Like I said, the ride is hard, and a lot of soft touch, hard touch plastics in here. What is good, you get a heated steering wheel in most of the trim levels as well. So that's really nice, and it works really nicely. Also, the heated seats are really good. So that is a benefit. But overall, I don't like this vehicle that much. I'm sure there's people that may find it appealing and they like the design. But overall, I would not recommend this vehicle. I think there are other better vehicles in the category or in its class, and especially at the price point. I think you can find a different vehicle that will suit your needs better. Also, the trunk is really not that big as well. So it's basically, you might as well just go ahead and get a Ford Fiesta or a Ford Focus. I think this is really trying to be a compact car, trying to be a sports car, and trying to be an SUV at the same time, and it's really not, it really hasn't done that quite that well. Hey guys, just a quick little add-on to the video because I just noticed that this is the ST line of the Ford Puma. So maybe the harsh ride has something to do with that. I'm pretty sure it does. So maybe if you do not get the ST line, the harsh ride wouldn't be so much of a problem. However, many other things will not just go away by not selecting the ST line. I'm sure with maybe a better engine, bigger engine, this is the 125 PS 3-cylinder. If you get maybe a different engine with the automatic transmission and without the ST line, I'm sure this can be a decent vehicle. As I said, it does look great, but I think driving wise, it's just not 100% sure what it wants to be and it does not drive that well. So we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. Be sure to catch me in the next video of catching cars, and I'll see you guys then. Like and comment below, and yeah, till next time.